If Google Drive is failing to install with exit code 1603, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get Google Drive for desktop installed on your Windows PC without wasting time. This error is usually caused by leftover files, a corrupted installer, permission problems, antivirus interference, low disk space, or missing Windows updates. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, restart your computer. This sounds basic, but it often clears temporary conflicts that block installations. Go ahead and restart Windows completely, then try installing Google Drive again. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes for the installer to run properly. If that does not work, the next step is to remove any old Google Drive files that may be causing problems. Open Settings, then go to Apps and uninstall Google Drive if it is already listed there. After that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type in the folder path for leftover Google files and delete any Google Drive folders that still exist, especially anything stored in your local app data. Old or partial installation files can easily trigger exit code 1603, so cleaning them out gives you a fresh start. Now download a fresh installer. This is really important because a corrupted setup file is one of the most common reasons Google Drive fails with this error. Delete the old installer you were using, then go to the official Google Drive for desktop download page and grab the latest version. Using a brand new installer ensures you are not repeating the same failed setup. Before installing again, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall protection. Security tools can sometimes block parts of the installation process, even when the installer is safe. Turn them off just for the duration of the install, then turn them back on afterward. Make sure you only do this if you trust the source and are downloading from the official Google website. Next, right-click the Google Drive installer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it may need to make system changes and place files in the correct locations. Permission issues are another common reason behind exit code 1603, so running the installer with admin rights is a smart move. If the error still appears, check your disk space. Make sure your system drive has enough free storage for the installation to complete. Low disk space can cause the setup to fail before it finishes. If needed, free up some space by deleting unused files, emptying the recycle bin, or uninstalling apps you no longer need. The final step is to install any pending Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Install everything that is waiting, then restart your PC. Missing system components or outdated Windows files can also cause installer failures, so keeping Windows updated often solves stubborn setup errors like this one. Once you have completed these steps, try installing Google Drive again. In many cases, one of these fixes will clear the exit code 1603 problem and let the installation finish normally. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more easy Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.